like in an Iron Man costume. This year, I am going to be Iron Man since I'm a very big fan of Marvel, like crazy. Iron Man, I think he's like one of the main characters in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, and so I wanted to be him because it kind of fits my personality. It's fun and stuff. He has rocket boosters and all that crazy cool stuff, and so we had bought the arc reactor, and we just slide a little bit of battery in it, and it lights up. But we actually hooked a wire that went to my shoulder, where you can just flick a switch and it comes on like that. And then we got another part for it, which made it kind of go like that. And so that was that part. And then the helmet, the gloves. The gloves are made out of rubber, so it's kind of stiff. What's on the gloves is like a laser. I have a glove right here. And so this is it. This is the one that we decided we weren't going to cut all the things out. And the joints out actually. Not things, but the wall. And like you put your hand in here. It has a little Marvel sign for Marvel. And then right here there's a little button. You can flip it. And let's see, is it on? Yep. If I go right there, y'all can see there's a laser on my arm. You can turn it on and off just like that. And then right here, we actually painted like the gray parts on the glove. And so that's that. And then like if I push down right here in the middle, I can turn on the light. It's pretty bright, like when it's like night. And you can click it again, it'll flash. Click it again, it will flash slower. Click it again, and it turns off just like that. And so yeah, that's the gloves. So this is the chest piece. The shoulders move and all like that. And then over here, the lights turn on for the arc reactor. And it's pretty bright and stuff. And then there's another switch that you can hit. It's right up here in the corner. You see that right there? Yep, right there. You flip it, and the arc reactor goes on and off. And I just noticed, yeah, it is brighter when it's just fully on, but that's alright. Like, it can be off. It comes on, then you just keep it that way, just like that. But yeah, that's pretty cool about the chest piece. And then like how it gets on, there are in the inside, you might not be able to see it, but it just comes apart like that. It's still kind of connected on this side, so it won't like do it right now. I'll see if it would, if I can reach it real fast and do that. Should be able to reach it. Yeah, it's right here. It's gonna be kind of hard. I might have to turn it sideways. Get that part. Yep, there we go. And it comes on just like this. I'll put it on real fast. Yep, just like that. And then my dad will come over here and clip, and it will just be on just like a regular chest piece. Yeah, that's pretty cool about the chest piece.
Answer.
Alright, this is what we used to create the mold of the Iron Man suit. And yeah, so we painted it red, thinking that we were, going to use it as like a suit. But mannequin's body right there, that's what we were using. We got a mannequin and used it to hold it up and stuff. And in this we covered it in silicone, and then my dad covered it in fiberglass and made a mold out of it. And then this is the front piece, just like that. It go on like that. And yeah, so this is the mold right here. It has the pink stuff inside. We filled the mold out of fiberglass, and this is it right here, in case like we want to make more. And so yeah, this is it.